Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to export video in After Effects. Firstly, in the project panel, click on the composition you wish to render. Go to Composition, add to render queue in the top menu, or you can use the file, export and add render queue. The render queue panel will appear at the bottom of the screen, replacing the timeline panel. Select multiple compositions in the project window, then drag them into the render queue panel. Now, just click on the output module. It usually says lossless to choose the file, format, codec, and compression settings. Commonly used formats are QuickTime, AVI, and H264 MP4 for compressed files. All you have to do is click the Output To field to set the save location and file name for the render video. Then, click the Render button in the Render Queue panel and After Effects will begin processing and rendering your composition. You can track the progress in the Render Queue panel. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.